Complete this adage. The neighboring fingers of the same person have never been found to be. Answer: exactly identical in all respects. What type of classification considers only the loop type starting from the right thumb, the first loop appearing in the set of prints on a fingerprint card? Answer: key classification. What is the epidermal hairless skin found on the lower surface of the hands and feet covered with minute ridges? Answer: friction skin. What do you call the inner terminus or focal point at the center or the approximate center of the pattern area? Answer: core. It is the ridge count of the loop and the whorl in the little finger of both hands. Answer: final classification. When the innermost sufficient recurve contains no ending ridge or rod rising as high as the shoulder of the loop, the core is placed on the shoulder of the loop farther from the delta. Is this statement true or false? Answer: true. The inner layer of the skin is known as. Answer: dermis. What is that portion of the fingerprint bounded by the type lines where the characteristics needed for interpretation or classification are found? Answer: pattern area. He discovered the 3 families of fingerprint patterns. Answer: Francis Galton. A single ridge which divides into 2 or more ridges. Answer: bifurcation. It appears after the subsecondary classification at the extreme right portion of the classification formula. Answer: final classification.